Good morning, little friends, hello. It's shopping day, come on, let's go. Rony Rabbit takes his hat, he hops outside, imagine that. He's got his list, he's feeling fine. Let's shop together, hop in line.
Look at apples red and round, bananas lying on the ground, grapes in bunches, purple sweet, strawberries, what a treat.
Orange, lemon, mango too. Rony learns each name with you. Pale hoods long and beans so green, tomatoes shiny, fresh and clean. Broccoli looks like little trees, cucumbers cool, fresh as breeze. Rony smiles and takes a bite. Veggies make my body right.
Milk is cold and white as snow, butter soft, it melts so slow. Yogurt, cheese, and cream so sweet, dairy food is such a treat.
Rony reads the label clear, learning letters A and here. Smell that bread, it's warm and nice. Cookies, cakes, and apple slice. Croissants fluffy, rolls so small. He wants to try and taste them all. He counts the buns, 1, 2, 3. Math is fun in bakery.
Bottles shining in a row, which to choose he wants to know. Apple juice or orange bright, he learns to read and choose it right. Less sugar makes his body strong, healthy choices all day long.
Cold wind blows from every side, frozen veggies stay inside. Fish and peas and ice cream sweet, cold and tasty summer treat. He says out loud with joyful sound, frozen food is safe and sound.
Chips and cookies on the shelf, Rony thinks about his health. He picks one pack, just one, not more. Healthy balance, that's the core. He waves and hums a gentle tune, I'll eat my snack this afternoon.
The basket's full, not big, not tall. He counts his things, 10 in all. At the counter, he waits his turn. It's time to pay, a chance to learn. He gives the coins and says thank you. Manners make you happy too.
He packs his bag, no plastic waste, a cotton one so neat and laced. He hops outside, the sky so blue, with all his food fresh and new. He waves goodbye and sings once more, I love to learn at the grocery store.
What we learn today: fruits and veggies, milk and bread, healthy meals for all he said. Counting, reading, colors too, Rony learned with me and you. So next time when you shop around, keep your smile and joy you found.